Today, I am reviewing the Shark Upright Vacuum. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. One of the first things you will notice about this vacuum is its powerful multi-surface suction. It is engineered to deep clean carpets while also handling bare floors with equal efficiency. Whether you're dealing with dust, dirt, or crumbs, the Shark NV360 ensures that every surface is thoroughly cleaned. The suction power is consistent and strong, making it ideal for homes with high foot traffic or pets that shed frequently. A standout feature of this vacuum is its lift-away functionality. The detachable pod allows you to easily lift the main unit away from the floor for portable cleaning. This means you can clean under furniture, above the floor, on stairs, or even reach high areas like shelves and upholstery. This flexibility is a major advantage, especially for homes with tight spaces or multiple levels. The lift-away feature makes it simple to switch from standard floor cleaning to handheld tasks without sacrificing performance. The NV360 is also equipped with Anti-Allergen Complete Seal Technology, which works with a HEPA filter to trap dust and allergens inside the vacuum. This is particularly important for households with allergy sufferers, as it prevents dust and allergens from being released back into the air while cleaning. Combined with the powerful suction, this technology ensures a thorough and hygienic clean. Pet owners will find this vacuum especially useful. The included upholstery tool and crevice tool are designed to efficiently pick up pet hair from furniture, stairs, and other surfaces. Cleaning up after pets has never been easier, as the Shark Navigator NV360 is specifically engineered to tackle stubborn pet hair without tangling or losing suction. Maneuverability is another area where this vacuum excels. The swivel steering allows you to easily navigate around corners, furniture, and other obstacles. Tight spaces, hard-to-reach areas, and awkward angles become much easier to clean, which significantly reduces the time and effort required for daily vacuuming. The Brushroll Shutoff feature is a practical addition that lets you instantly switch from deep carpet cleaning to gentle bare floor cleaning. This prevents scratches on delicate surfaces and makes it possible to transition seamlessly between different floor types during a single cleaning session. For convenience, the Shark NV360 comes with a large 0.9 quart dust cup, which allows for longer cleaning sessions without needing to stop frequently to empty debris. The dust cup is easy to remove and empty, and the included filters can be rinsed under running water and air-dried for 24 hours before reinserting. This simple maintenance ensures that the vacuum continues to perform at its best over time. The package includes the Navigator Lift-Away Deluxe Upright Vacuum, the upholstery tool, and a crevice tool. With these attachments, you are equipped to handle a wide variety of cleaning tasks, from floors to furniture to hard-to-reach corners. The combination of powerful suction, allergen trapping technology, pet hair cleanup, and maneuverability makes this vacuum a versatile and reliable choice for any household. In summary, the Shark Upright Vacuum Navigator Lift-Away Deluxe NV360 is an outstanding vacuum that combines power, versatility, and convenience. Its multi-surface suction, lift-away pod, HEPA filtration, pet-friendly attachments, swivel steering, Brushroll Shutoff, and large-capacity dust cup make it one of the most practical and effective vacuums available today. Whether you have pets, allergies, or just want a reliable tool to keep your home clean, the Shark NV360 delivers consistent performance and ease of use that will make cleaning faster, simpler, and more thorough.